Harriet singing in the dead of night. Take these working slaves into the light with all her might. Andrew Jackson never did anything right. Harriet Tubman on the 20 bill. She always helped but never killed. All her life. Jackson killed 4,000 and that wasn't right. Tubman died. Tubman died. Died with whites and blacks on her side. Tubman died. Tubman died. Died with a scar above her eyes. Harriet running through the woods at night. Running 'cause her ransom was very high. For her life. Freeing hundreds of slaves doesn't come without a fight. Harriet helped people every day. Slave or not, either way. With all their needs. The slaves were only waiting for their moment to be freed. Natives cried. Natives cried. Cried and cried, fearing they would die. Natives cried. Natives cried. Forced to leave their lives behind.